Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix pin not accepted on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So, as you can see, if I would lock my screen now, I will notice that I need to input my PIN, but actually I have no idea what my PIN is. So, how can we possibly fix this? Well, unfortunately, there isn't like an universal fix for this, because most of the time, like 99% of time, you have just forgotten your screen lock password, and that's completely okay. But unfortunately for you, there's only one way that you can actually fix that, and it is to perform a factory reset. Now, I must warn you that performing a factory reset is fine, because yeah, you will get rid of your passwords. But in the process, you will also get rid of your images, your videos, your applications, your messages, your contacts, everything, unless you have it backed up, of course. But if you do not have anything backed up, this means that everything will be gone, including the password, so yeah. So with that warning out of the way, we can begin the process of performing a factory reset. But first, we must enter recovery mode. Of course, if you want to learn more, you can always watch my recovery mode tutorial, but basically you want to start pressing and holding the power button and volume up button, and when screen goes to black, you want to start pressing power button and volume down button instead. So let's do that right now. So the combo power button, volume up button. Let's try that once again. When screen goes to black, we want to release and then power button and volume down button. And when the SONY logo appears, you can release your fingers. And then we should see recovery mode, just like that. You navigate in the recovery mode using the volume buttons like this, and you can enter certain things and settings by pressing the power button. So we want to navigate into wipe data / factory reset. Let's hit power key. And I want to navigate down and simply click factory data reset. Now I'm not going to do that because this takes quite some time, but if you want to learn more about this, you basically click the factory data reset. You see a little information at the bottom that factory data is reset, and then you can simply reboot your device like this. So reboot system now. And you should see welcome screen, and you will begin the process of setting up your phone. Now, if you don't know how to go through the process of setting up your SONY Xperia, you can always watch our tutorial for that topic, because we also have it recorded. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.